Trigonometry 2 lesson number 3. This may be our third, fourth lecture. We will check it afterwards. Now on page number 38, example 4, show that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Initially we will feel it is very difficult, but let us solve by splitting the terms. Tan of 3x means tan of 2x into tan of 3x means I will split it solution LHS. This I don't want to take anything LHS. Tan of 3x means what? That will be tan of 2x plus x. What is the formula for tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the formula. On that base, tan a and this is b. Tan a plus tan b means tan of 2x plus tan of x upon 1 minus tan a into tan b means tan of 2x into tan of x. Hope that you understand this. This is tan of 3x equal to. Now this upon I will bring here and it will become into. Therefore tan of 3x into 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x, that is equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x. Now I will multiply by this. Therefore tan of 3x into 1, tan of 3x minus, now the multiply to this, tan 3x into tan 2x into tan of x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now we will arrange what I want. I want this portion to be here and this portion I want there. Okay. Therefore, this tan 3x I will take there. There. This minus tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan of x is equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x. This plus will become minus tan of 3x. But here I don't want minus, so I will remove this minus, means throughout I will change the signs. Therefore, changing the signs, tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan of x is equal to, now change the sign, this will become minus, this will become minus and this will become plus. And we will arrange the term, tan 3x I will write first. So tan 3x, this minus has become plus, this will become minus tan 2x, this will become minus tan of x. So this way everything is solved. Take a screenshot if you need, so that I am going to rub it. Now from this tan of 5x is equal to, that also you can do, tan 5x into tan 5 means 3 plus 2, that way you can split, that also you can do. Now on the same page there is another question which I feel is a good question. Fifth example. Show that cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos of x. These are two ways of solution. LHS equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. Cos of a plus b formula I have to use. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a minus cos b. Cos a into cos b. Cos a into cos b. This is plus, so it will become minus sin a into sin b. This formula I have to use, and if it is minus, here it will become plus. So for this I will use, that is equal to cos of pi by 4 into cos of x. This is plus, so it will become minus sin of pi by 4 into sin x. Now for this it is minus, so it will become plus. This was for this plus. For your understanding, I am just splitting by the bracket. Cos of pi by 4 into cos of x. This is minus, so it will become plus. Sin of pi by 4 into sin x. You have understood, I think. Okay. Now what I can cancel? I will cancel. This is minus, this is plus. So this part will get cancelled here itself. Okay. Cos of pi by 4 into cos x plus cos of pi by 4 into cos x. So this is 2 cos of pi by 4 into cos x. That is equal to 2 into cos of pi by 4. Pi means 180. 180 upon 4 is equal to 45, and cos 45, I have told you how to know all these values. 45 degree, hypotenuse 1, this will be 1 upon root 2, this will be 1 upon root 2, this is 90, cos means बाजू वाली, इसके बाजू वाली कितनी है? 1 upon root 2, so cos of 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2 into cos of x. That is equal to, this 2 is root 2 into root 2 into 1 upon root 2 into cos of x. This root 2 cut. So answer is root 2 cos of x. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This way, this was an easy sum but important sum. So I am rubbing it. Now one more sum, some order टेढ़ा खीर. ये सीधा सीधा खीर था, इसको कोई भी खा सकता था, कोई भी पचा सकता था. लेकिन अगला जो खीर है सबको पचेगा ऐसा नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल 6, tan of A minus tan of B is equal to x, and cot of B minus cot of A is equal to y. Then show cot of A minus B is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. This they want. So what is given, that way I will solve. From this I will start first. This is simple, I know. Then cot I will change. Solution: cot of B minus cot of A is equal to, what is the meaning of this? 1 upon tan of B minus 1 upon tan of A. Therefore, cot of B minus cot of A, what is this? Y is equal to, now I will solve this. Tan A into this way 1 I am not writing, minus tan B into 1 upon tan A into tan B. Therefore, y is equal to tan A minus tan B is x upon tan A into tan B. Therefore, I will bring it here, it will become into and it will come here. So, tan of A into tan of B is equal to x upon y. Okay. What I want to show, there I will go now. I want to show cot of A minus B is equal to something. Okay. Cot of A minus B is equal to what I know is 1 upon tan of A minus B. Cot means 1 upon tan. Okay. That is equal to 1 upon tan A minus tan B formula. Tan of A minus tan A minus tan B minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. This is our formula. I will use that formula here. So this is tan A minus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into 1 plus tan A into tan B. If it is minus, okay. Therefore, cot of A minus B is equal to this, see, divided by means खाली डोकं वर पाय, take this up, 1 plus tan A into tan B upon tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B. That is equal to 1 plus tan A into tan B. What is the value of tan A into tan B? X upon y. 1 plus x upon y upon tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B. What is the value? X. So that is equal to. So this is the denominator for this also and for this also. So 1 upon x plus x upon y upon x this way. Do you understand this? If you don't understand this, try to understand this. X upon y upon this is x upon 1 divided by means खाली डोकं वर पाय 1 plus x upon y into 1 upon x. So that is equal to 1 into 1 upon x plus x upon y into 1 upon x. This cut. Let's remember that. Plus this cut 1 upon y is proved. Hope that you have understood this. There are many good questions. Hope that you have understood this. I will stop over here today, and in the next session we will see